Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a store pickup option at checkout so your customers can choose if they want to pick up the item in the store instead of having it shipped. Okay, for this project I'm working with a floral shop that ships products and allows for in-store pickup. So I've created a WebStarts account. I'm going to click the store panel on the dashboard to manage the store. I've already created one product. We'll come back to that in a minute. For now, we'll click the shipping tab. WebStart stores have a domestic shipping rule set up by default, so all you need to do is click the ellipsis next to it and then click Edit. You could apply the rule to all states, or if you wanted to do a single state, you can click 51 of 51 states, uncheck the All States box, and then check the state that you wish it to apply to. I'll go ahead and leave it as a rule for the entire country. You can customize the rule name if needed. Now the shipping calculation, it needs to be one of these four. It needs to be either flat rate, which is obvious, that's just a single rate that's applied for the entire order. Rate by weight, price, or quantity. These are tiered options where you can have up to 10 different ranges that are custom prices for each range of weight, price, or quantity. So for this example, we'll just leave it at flat rate and call it standard, and standard shipping is $9.99. Now to add a store pickup option at checkout, all we'll need to do is check this box that says Allow Store Pickup, and click Update Shipping Rule. Now that my shipping rule is updated and I have a product created with shipping enabled, I can go ahead and view the product, and we can test out the whole checkout process. Click Add to Cart, Checkout. I've already entered in my billing info, so I don't have to do it again. But you'll see here at the delivery method section, there's the ability to do standard shipping and have it shipped to me, or do store pickup. When I choose store pickup, the shipping changes to free, and I can go through checkout. So I can go through and do a test purchase now. Okay, completed the purchase, and here I am back at the store. If I click the orders tab, I can see everything about the order here. And when I go to view the order, you'll see that under the customer information, under shipping information, it'll say store pickup as the shipping method. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.